Hi guys, I'm going to be showing you the dance steps to work this out, just in case you've forgotten them step by step as a refresher. So first you go step, step, and then you cross with your two shoulders like this, and then slide. And then you slide this way, or you can step like, you can be like this, or this, and then whatever you do, just go frontwards again. And then you gotta take your arms, do a big semicircle, and when it gets to the sun will shine, go like this. And then you just repeat the first step again. Step, step. Cross with your two shoulders and slide this way. Then you do chest square. You can do whatever you want with your arms. It could be like this. So once you get that through, you jump like this. And then you jump like this with your foot. And then you do a simple change like that. So then you cross over, cross again, have your hand out and twirl. And now you go step back. This way, have your hand out like this, step, scoop the ice cream, or whatever, back, this way, and then you do this a couple of times, and you just spin the rest, which is probably 3. Then, there you go. So the next video I'll be showing you, we'll be going through that with music this time. Good luck.
Okay, this is what not to do during this song, okay? We've got to work this out. We'll make things right. Let's walk the shine.
Hi guys, we're going to do the dance now with the music.
What have you got us into? Come on, we can totally turn this thing around.
We're going to be doing that dance sometime, hopefully, soon. And while we're doing it, we're going to be lip-syncing to the chorus. So be prepared to know the lyrics. Okay, thanks. Bye.
Is it filming?
Yeah.
Okay. This is what not to do during this song.
And he's actually trying. That's the side part.
Shut up, face. Not.
I feel like a woman.